yung mga gigil na gigil sa double agent narrative, with the few hours long meeting of Senator Amy and Attorney Kaufman, collaborating on how to bring PRRD back home. Paano nyo kaya i-spin yan? No? Paano nyo kaya i-spin yan? Ayan. Well, anyway, ako nga, lagi kong pinopromote at lagi kong sinasabi sa mga followers ko, you really need to be reasonable. You really need to be rational when you are processing information in front of you. So, ayan yung sitwasyon. Yun yung sinasabi ko ever since na may political value si Amy. You do not really need to trust her. You just have to recognize what she can do. And if that is something that can help us, let us take it. Diba?
May mga daw nagsasabi na si Amy ang magpapauwi kay PRRD. That's bullshit. I'm just being myself. That's budol. Hindi yan totoo. Hindi nga siya makapasok doon eh. Yun naman yung katotohanan. Kasi family lang. Pero nakikita ko dun sa ako hindi ako nang dito yun yung kailangan nyo malaman. Although lahat naman tayo gusto natin mapauwi yung Pangulong Duterte. But I don't think Amy siya ang makakadukot doon kay Pangulong Duterte. Sana ngayon niya nadukutin, pauwi na.